Well, hey y'all, Big E here from Texas. Another beautiful Sunday. We're out in the shop and I actually have a shop chore for the day. If you look, see that? You see that glowing ball of light right there? I added 3 exhaust fans to my shop from a parking garage remodel that I did. I was able to score the exhaust fans because they demoed out, but I did not get any louvers, so hence the big ball of light. But today, we're going to come up with a solution. We're going to come up with some kind of homemade louvers here in the shop so that we can continue to have the functionality of the exhaust fan without the brightness in the corner of my screen. So let's get started. Now the first thing I need is a frame to house the louvers. And just so happen to have a little piece of this track here, and I think it's going to work out perfect for a frame for the louvers. So, we're going to make a 28 by 26 square. It's going to fit perfect over that opening. So let's get started. Alright, so I've made my frame for my louvers. Now I need to make the louvers to go in the frame. So, what to use. So I just recently upgraded my lighting in my shop. Hopefully it makes a difference on the videos. But I think we're going to cut up some of these reflectors from the lighting, from the old light fixtures, and use those as our new louvers. So let's see how it turns out.
You are now about to witness the strength of street. You are now about to witness the strength of street.
So there we have it. Homemade louvers. We'll get her installed, see how she looks. Well guys, I'm real happy with how the louvers turned out. Cost me $0. Personal life hack. You know, I needed something, so I found a way to make do with what I had. I got a piece of 1 5/8 stud, and I made me a square frame, 28 by 26. Then I made me some custom louvers out of light fixture baffle or reflector. Just cut me some little pieces. I pop riveted those on. we got her installed, and as you can see, the big bright light is gone. But let's go outside and take a gander, see how it looks on the outside. And there's the outside. Looks pretty good to me. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.